Hi, good morning. This is Parmesh Shah, Global Lead from the Rural Development Global Practice from the World Bank across so many years. The program you have currently, which is under the rubric of Navaratanalu, I think is a very innovative program globally, and it has a lot of social safety nets, direct benefit transfer, financial inclusion, and also creating a very robust architecture for poor not to fall in, become vulnerable due to COVID and lots of other crises, and really build a solid foundation for the inclusive economic growth of poor women. I congratulate the government of Andhra Pradesh in launching this new initiative and really developing one of the most comprehensive welfare and safety net oriented societies in the world. Thank you very much.
On this occasion, I congratulate the government and the Honorable Chief Minister for launching the Navratnelu schemes. These schemes put women and children at the center of development, be it in areas such as education, livelihoods, financial inclusion or DBT. Thank you.
Congratulations to the government of Andhra and to SERP for these many new initiatives which will make sure that you reach out to women all over the state and especially those poor women who need it the most. I would like to again congratulate you, and I am sure these new innovative programs will also be well known all over India and will reach many more women as the earlier programs have.
I would like to start with a quote by India's greatest son, Mahatma Gandhi. Man can never be a woman's equal in the spirit of selfless service with which nature has endowed her. Yes, with a woman's natural instinct to nurture. In her empowerment is the economic, social, and cultural growth of any country. AP government has recognized this and gone all out to address the existing inequalities in the society at all levels. Income generating group programs that are giving women the access to working capital, which in turn is increasing their ability to generate choices and exercise bargaining power. It is really helping them to develop a sense of self-worth as well and the ability to direct their life towards the achievement of their dreams. I congratulate Honorable CM Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and the Andhra Pradesh government for leading the way in women's empowerment programs by putting the power of spending and investment, the two engines for driving an economy, in the hands of women. The government is creating immeasurable social capital that can be channeled further in several ways. Thank you.
Very good morning to everybody. Andhra Pradesh Mukhyamantri గౌరవనీయ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు మహిళా సాధికారత గురించి మొదటి నుంచి దృఢ నిశ్చయంతో ఉన్నారు. పూర్తి ఆర్థిక స్వేచ్ఛను, స్వాతంత్ర్యాన్ని కల్పించే విధంగా రకరకాల కార్యక్రమాలు చేపట్టారు. అదే బాటలో ఈ కార్యక్రమాలను కూడా లాంచ్ చేయడం చాలా సంతోషదాయకం. ఈ కార్యక్రమాలు ప్రభుత్వం చేస్తున్న ఈ కార్యక్రమాలకు ఏపీ ఫిక్కీ తరపున, మా ఇండస్ట్రీ తరపున పూర్తి సహకారం ఉంటుందని తెలియజేస్తూ అందరికీ నమస్కారం. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు ఏపీ చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్.
IDH is appreciative of the current and planned initiatives proposed by the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for rural women empowerment through the existing SHG CBOs channels. We are engaged with SERP on the project as a strategic partner. The ambition for both SERP and IDH through this collaborative approach is to orchestrate a value-driven, inclusive business model for the women entrepreneurs trained and developed under the program. This will help the targeted women entrepreneurs to improve their income, diversify earning streams while addressing gender empowerment. I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister on this key initiative. Thank you.
I congratulate Government of Andhra Pradesh under able leadership of Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, introducing various schemes under Navratnalu and also helping women towards economic empowerment through YSR Asara and YSR Cheyuta, and also Sunna Vadde scheme, which enables the women of Andhra Pradesh. Once again, I congratulate government for community livelihood schemes introduced today by Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.
As chairwoman of Indian Women Network (CII), I hail the decision of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu to release an amount to the tune of 6,000 crores of rupees under the YSR Asara scheme to help women from economically backward strata to come out of the vicious cycle of poverty and indebtedness. I am sure YSR Asara scheme will help these women come out of their financial woes and restore confidence of lakhs of downtrodden women from self-help groups and help them move on and contribute to the economic development of the state. All the schemes launched till now by the government, whether it is YSR Cheyuta, Amma Vadi or Sunna Vadde or the Disha Act, have all contributed to the empowerment of women, and Asara, I am sure, will be another major stride in the accomplishment of this goal.